Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a date night look. Now I did actually go on a date after this video, so you know this is authentic. But first I'm going to start by just pulling my hair back. After getting my face wet, I'm just going to tone my face by using this lemon toner by Cleaning Clear. What I like about this toner is it removes the extra dirt that's on my face and it clarifies my skin and gives me a glow. Next, I'm going to exfoliate with this liquid exfoliant, and what this does, it just removes the outermost dead layer of skin. It fades dark marks and brightens the face. And since I'm using this to bring new skin to the surface, it's important that I don't rub this product in and create more fine lines. As you can see, I'm just gently tapping this product into my skin. Now I'm just going to moisturize my face with this body butter. What I like about this is it's lightweight. It's not too heavy, so it doesn't really clog my pores or create buildup or acne. Now I'm just going in with my SPF, which is important in the summertime and for fresh revealed skin. Now I'm just going in with my eyeliner, and I'm not creating a very thick line or a wing. I'm just going to go across the top of my eyelashes and make sure that I fill in any gaps. Now for the same thing to the other eye. This is a loose highlighter from Artist Couture. I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow or an eye shimmer. So I'm just going to take this eyeshadow brush and lightly dust this highlighter across my eyelid and up into my brow bone. Now the reason I chose to use a highlighter instead of an eyeshadow color or an eyeshadow look for this date night is because I just want something simple. I want something that reflects off of the eye to make the eye stand out. And I don't really want too much going on, so really want to keep it simple but very elegant and pretty. Here I'm taking a smaller and denser eyeshadow brush to pack on that highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. And what this is going to do is just make the center of my eye stand out. Since I didn't put any eyeshadow on the bottom lash line, I'm only going to coat my eyelashes on the top with mascara. I'm actually going to double coat them just for that flirty look. I'm taking that Bright Future concealer and blending it out on my cheek first, just for more coverage. I'm blending it to the nose and all the way out to the perimeter of my face, and then I'm taking that excess concealer and blending it underneath the eye. And I'm doing this with light tapping motions. I'm not pulling the skin. I'm trying to be gentle underneath the eye. Same thing to the other side, and I'm using my fingers to warm up that concealer to help blend it into my skin, and I'm also using my fingers to help blend out those edges. Now here is my Instant Age Rewind concealer, and it's much brighter than my skin tone, but again, I'm using this just to brighten underneath the eye to make my eyes stand out even more. And I'm not taking this concealer all the way out to the very edge because it's going to make my face look even wider than it already is. So I'm just keeping that concealer right past the outer edge of my eye and then taking a clean finger and blending that edge out. So I kind of lost that inner corner highlight just by blending out my concealer, so I'm just going back and reapplying that highlighter. Next, I'm taking my Swiss chocolate blush and I'm going to blend it with my Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just going to blend this starting on the outer portion of my face and blending it inward into my cheeks just to bronze. I don't really want to contour. This is just adding a little darker glow to the face. Now for the kind of star of this look, I'm going to go in with my NARS blush, and I'm kind of going to be heavy-handed with this. I think just because my outfit has a little more pink in it, pinky red, and because it's date night, you're going to be smiling a lot, it's okay to have a little heavier blush. Now I'm going in with that same highlighter I used from earlier on my eyes, and I'm just going to find where the light naturally hits my face, and I'm just going to highlight there, gently dusting it along the perimeter of my face and partly in the center. here I'm just giving a second lip option. This is a brown lip gloss. And this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.